Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a standard wig, and standard for me is a 22 head. This is how I kind of mold what I'm doing. I kind of line out the closure. I use closure. I specialize in closures and not frontals. And that's because for me, frontal is just too much work. But if I have to make it, I make a great one. But my specialty is closure. I started off with the 4x4s. I stepped it up to the 5x5, and then I moved on to a 6x6 or a 7x7. And those bigger closure just give you an illusion as though you're wearing a frontal. All right, after I finish making it, then you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is kind of the basic line out that I do to make my wigs. So here we have the first row of pins, and this is for the closure, right? So it will be one color all the way around. It's the same color, so that's the first, that's the closure. And then following that, we'll have an inch apart pins going down for each track. So if you notice on this side, there's a pink, and this will go all the way across to the next side, a pink, and vice versa, and comes all the way down. Most people start their first track on top of the band. My first track goes here, and my second track goes on top of the band. I normally end up with like either 8 to 10 tracks if I double weft them, but if I do not double weft, then I add a track between each line of pins. So I would add a track here and add one here. It just depends on, you know, what it looks like or how much bundles the client wants. So we're gonna go ahead and place the closure. Today we're using a 6x6. This one is already bleached and it's already pre-plucked. This hair is from my vendor. My customer got the hair from my vendor, and then I'm gonna customize and make her wig. Okay, so what we do is we try to place the closure like half of an inch, you know, down from the cap. So the cap is right here. We bring it down a little bit, about half of an inch is fine. So we're gonna leave it there. And then this pin right here is just to show me that that's the middle of the wig, so I know where to place the closure. All right, so we're gonna get this set up and we'll be right back.